With all the uncertainty in the market over the past year, the thought of receiving incredible returns may seem too good to be true. For many it is, but those who know the real estate market well know that the current market is presenting a goldmine of opportunity. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how I am finding severely distressed acquisition opportunities in today's real estate market. If you're a savvy investor following the economy recently, you might tell me that now is not the right time to be building large commercial assets. I couldn't agree with you more. As a developer, it pains me to say that now is not the right market to be building multifamily assets. It is, however, a phenomenal time to be investing in a specific strategy. This one strategy alone will create more wealth over the next 1 to 2 years than anything else in the market. Before I get into what that is, I want to share with you some important insights on today's market. The CEO of Naveen recently spoke at an economic forum where she stated that 25% of her clients' portfolios were currently being held in cash. Naveen is a management firm that has 1.2 trillion under management, and she's saying 25% is being held in cash. So where are all the investors? They are currently sitting on the sidelines, waiting for an opportunity, not realizing that the best opportunity in this market is passing them by. Now is the time to be active in the market, and now is the time for wealth creation in this down cycle of the economy. I want you to understand what that opportunity is and why moving quickly will put you in a unique position to make incredible returns over the next few years. Generating quality returns, regardless of the market, is all about forcing appreciation. Generally, you can force appreciation by making changes to a property, whether that be paper changes or physical changes. Another way of creating equity in a property is to buy it at below market value. This can be difficult to accomplish in a hot market, but these opportunities abound in a slower market, such as the one we're in today. What if you can find a property where all three methods of forced appreciation apply? That's an incredible deal. And these are the types of opportunities that my company is seeing frequently in the market today. To understand what's creating these opportunities, you need to understand how most developers acquire land. Most developers buy land using debt, which means they'll put 40 to 50% down on a property and the lender will make up the difference. These developers will then take the 12 to 24 month loan term to complete the city permitting for their project, raise the equity required to get a construction loan, and secure the financing for their construction loan. Well, due to the rising interest rates, construction lenders have mostly pulled out of the market. Those that are still active are lending at terms that make it very difficult to pencil a project. This creates a problem for those developers who are now coming to the end of their land loan terms and they don't have equity that's raised and they don't have an option to refinance into a construction loan. This is forcing them to sell at their original basis. This is where my company thrives. We could step in and purchase these properties at a steep discount. We pay only cash for the property, which means we have the time to sit and wait out the market. When the lending market starts to change, we then can go and get the construction financing and proceed on the project. Let me tell you about an incredible property I was sent just a month ago. This developer was coming to the end of his land loan term and he was desperate. I received a text, an email, and a phone call all within the same 5-minute period. This was a property that was fully approved for 300 units in city limits of Austin, Texas. He told me that he needed to get rid of the property and was willing to sell it at his original basis, which was $10,000 per unit. 2 years ago, that same property would have had 15 offers within 2 weeks of being listed at $20,000 to $25,000 per unit. So at $10,000 a unit, I'm buying that property at a $3 million discount. That type of discount makes waiting out the market well worth it. Now, I didn't buy this property. Why not? Because my funds were already committed to other properties. This is where you come in. These types of deals do not hit the mass market. They're sent to developers like me. I can only purchase so many properties with my own money, which is why I need investors like you. We can do more together than either of us could do by ourselves. With your investment and my expertise, together we can take advantage of as many of these opportunities that are presented to us. We can win big in a market where everyone else is letting the best deals of my career pass them by. Obviously, a short video like this is only gonna go so far to earn your trust. I completely understand that. I wanna speak with you and I wanna share with you some more of the insights that I'm seeing in today's market and to see how we might work together. By scanning the QR code on the screen or clicking the link below, you can schedule a time for us to talk. This opportunity may not be right for you. That's okay. we still want to help you learn about this business. If you click on the link below, we'll be happy to send you our development checklist, which is a list of over 100 items that we review and evaluate each property with before we complete a purchase. I hope you got value out of this video. We'll talk soon.